Welcome back. The accused headmaster in molestation case is still at large even after 24 hours of registering an offence. Old Goa police are still tracking whereabouts of the accused headmaster. A lady teacher teaching in the government-recognized school at Chimbel has accused the headmaster of molesting her.
In a complaint filed with Old Goa police, the victim lady teacher has alleged that accused headmaster Suleiman Sheikh molested her when she was alone in the office.
Since last September ending week, he started misbehaving with me. So on a very fine day, he took my undue advantage. And I was signing my register. I kept the hand on the register. He held my hand, touched my hand, my body. And then he came out, got up from his chair and started molesting me very badly.
The victim said that crime was committed about a month back. But due to fear and social stigma, she could not dare to approach the police. But later, accused headmaster started harassing her on different issues and had stopped her from discharging her duty.
I was quiet because I was scared of my husband. My husband is a diabetic and a hypertension person. I was ashamed also. On the 3rd and 4th, he called me and he told me from Monday, you don't come for the job.
Old Goa police has said that the accused headmaster is absconding and they are trying to nab him.
The Old Goa police station has registered a molestation case against the headmaster of the English Urdu school at Indiranagar, Chimber. We have already moved a staff to arrest him. We went over there, but he is absconding.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Government has reinstated tainted DYSP Shamba Sawant in service. In response to that, Shamba Sawant has withdrawn his petition challenging his suspension from the High Court. Shamba Sawant was suspended over a complaint of molestation by a lady police constable.
State government informed the High Court that suspension of Shamba Sawant has been revoked. Following the statement made by government's advocate, Shamba Sawant withdrew his petition challenging his suspension. The case had come up for hearing before the High Court on Wednesday. Shamba Sawant was suspended in April 2012 over a complaint filed by a lady police constable of Crime Branch for sending her lewd messages and asking for sexual favor. He has been reinstated on the recommendation of Advocate General on technical ground as suspension was not reviewed as per law even after 6 months of suspension. Though Shamba Sawant has got relief, but the sword of suspension is still hanging on him and he can be suspended again as Crime Branch is in the process to file charge sheet in molestation case against Shamba Sawant. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Running is one of the best activity to lead a healthy lifestyle. With the Goa River Marathon being a regular annual event in the state, Vasco Sports Club have played a major role in attracting Goans towards the marathon competition. Now the club has joined hands with cancer survivors support group Muskan to launch a Goa Pink Run. This event will be held on Sunday morning at Miramar with the aim of creating awareness about the dreaded breast cancer.
Having organized a very successful Goa River Marathon since last 3 years, President of Vasco Sports Club, Nitin Banekar, gave the details of the Goa Pink Run.
Starting point will be Miramar Beach. We have 2 categories over here, which is the 10-kilometer run, which will be in a form of a loop. We start at the Miramar Beach. We go towards the slope of Dona Paula. We don't climb the slope. We come back to Miramar Circle. Then we go towards Kala Academy and back. That forms a loop of 10 kilometers. That starts at 6:30 in the morning. The other event is the 5-kilometer walk. This is a walk. It's not a run walk.
Cancer patients need psychosocial support, and such events go a long way in providing it.
Most important objective being the psychosocial support towards cancer patients, creating awareness in nooks and corners of Goa.
Cancer survivor Babita Agarwal recounted the horror of being told that she had breast cancer.
Though I come from an urban society and I'm a double gold medalist in science, but I completely ignored to educate myself on any types of cancer and to be very precise, breast cancer in general. And 2005, when the doctors told me that I have breast cancer, my life was just shattered. Though my body had been giving me signals off and on, but I never knew what they were. I just thought they was something common, like I never ever paid much attention to it. And when the doctors broke this news to me, I looked back and I started trying to remember what all had gone with me and what had happened to me. And it was then when I realized that had I been breast aware, I could at least have saved my breast.
The organizers are hoping that the Goans could take such events seriously and start leading a lifestyle where running becomes a regular part of their routine. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.